Morning everyone! Tonight on Learn Ilocano, let's learn some Ilocano phrases that can be used for courting a girl, and also some examples on giving compliments. So let's start. So, what's the first thing you do when you wake up? Think, text, and chat, right? So if you like a girl or you're courting a girl, first thing guys do is text the girl or message her, and with good morning, good evening, and good afternoon in Ilocano. We already did that from one of the previous videos, and you can find the link below. And to ask, how's your day? Kumusta ti aldaw mo? Kumusta ti aldaw mo? How's your day? And if you wanna ask, how's your sleep? Kumusta ti turog mo? Kumusta ti turog mo? Kumusta ti turog mo? Or, how's your sleep? And two examples for giving compliments. If you wanna say, you're beautiful. Napintas ka. Napintas ka. Na-pin-tas ka. Napintas ka. And to say, you have a beautiful smile. Napintas ti isem mo. Napintas ti isem mo. Let's say that again. Napintas ti isem mo. Napintas ti isem mo. And if you want to ask if you can call her, you can say, mabalin ka nga tawagan. Mabalin ka nga tawagan. Mabalin ka nga tawagan. Can I call you? And just in case she asks you, apaya or why? And if you wanna say, I wanna hear your voice. Kayat ko nga mangeg ti boses mo. Kayat ko nga mangeg ti boses mo. Kayat ko nga mangeg ti boses mo. I wanna hear your voice. That's all I can think of for now, but just in case you have anything in specific that you wanna ask, like for example, you wanna say, or you wanna ask, can we go out? Or do you wanna go to the mall? Or anything, just leave a comment below and then I can do that on the next video. Okie dokie. Bye-bye. Good night, everyone.